Say Mr. Nigga Mac, bruh. Niggas on the street can't do but love niggas like us. Spitting all that motherfucking real gangsta ass shit. We ain't playing with what we mean. We say what we mean. Cause we just a thug nigga. You know what I'm saying? That's all I'm saying. I'm known for running the streets and making monies and bundles, and niggas love me for that gangsta ass shit that be coming. Because I'm true to the game and you niggas feeling my name. And if you fuck up, I had them bullets pouring like rain. You can't hide, I'm suicidal. It's very vital to your health that my motherfucking message is felt. Because I mean what I say what I mean. And my dream is the scene like I'm swimming in green forever and never fall or put my tank on the wall.